Guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and this is a Triumph Street Triple RS 765. An absolute stunner of a bike, full colour TFT display. You've got the LED running lights on the front there. It's done 5,084 miles, as you can see. The digital display, all full colour, and you can adjust it into different modes and go through all the systems at a simple touch. Tail tidy on this. You've got the SP Engineering exhaust that you've already heard, it sounds absolutely mega. You've got the Triumph protection on the sides, the upgraded Triumph LED indicators there, the seat cowl. It's an absolute belter, is this bike. Quick shifter, yeah. You can definitely have a lot of fun on this. Guys, you've seen the bike. In order to get it purchased, it's dead easy. You pop down at Jordan Bikes, you give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, my name's Nick and thank you for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. Our guys are really fussy. It also comes with a 3-month warranty as well, and you can upgrade that to either a 1-year or a 2-year warranty. It's a really good cover. We also offer finance and PCP, subject to status, so give us a call if you'd like a quote for that. And if you'd like an even more detailed walk around video, getting every single nook and cranny, just give us a call and we're quite happy to do that if you can't get down to the store. That's it. Thank you for watching. Get on that phone, give us a ring, get it bought. Cheers.